let's do this little unboxing vid. It's been a while. Get out the tiny trusty knife, see what's in this bad boy. Should be a good one. Let's see what she brought me. What the? Bruh. No, I didn't buy shoes today. I already got those. Went with the LXT subcompact brushless Makita combo. Complete with reciprocating saw, impact drill, and a standard drill. This is the unbox while the black cements chill. Ooh, it even comes with a fresh piece of cardboard. Whew. Fancy. Got a bag. It's too bad it doesn't say Supreme right there. Your reseller's dream. Guess I'll throw tools in it. Instruction manual. For those who don't know how a battery works or a clutch. And there they are. Charger and 2 batteries. This puppy is an even 5 inches across. And it is fired and ready to go, complete with LED. Man, that thing doesn't weigh anything. It feels like a toy. Got plenty of torque. And a brushless motor. That is going to be a little game changer. Lifesaver right there. I think that's almost worth the kit alone. I've never had a reciprocating saw after all these years. It's just kind of strange. Plenty of torque on this bad boy. A little longer. Obviously got the keyless chuck. Brushless. They're proud of that. I don't know if the battery does... Yeah, it does have an indicator light. See if that works. It is low, as it should be. Couple belt clips. Charger. Just does 1 battery, I believe. Probably should read the instructions before I break something. Yeah, that doesn't want to come up easy. That might be a guard. I think that's how the battery goes in. Its guard stays on. It's kind of cool. And then the reciprocating saw, which is definitely a little heavier, as it should be. Nice and compact, almost looks like a sawed-off shotgun compared to a lot of the standard reciprocating saws. But that'll be a nice way to chop up my Christmas tree dying in the backyard, amongst other things. And it even comes complete with 1 and 2 blades, with fine and raw teeth. Fine tooth being the turquoise teal one. The other one's actually kind of gold. So that is the set. Courtesy of Home Depot and an eBay purchased coupon for 20 bucks off. That cost me 3. Focus, would you? I think these are going to get me by for a while. Peace.